Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a review on the TWS i12. So I know you guys are probably wondering whether you should import these, and personally I've imported quite a few of them, so I thought it would be a good idea to give you an insight on how it works and how it functions as compared to other products out there, because I mean, really having a product that you are not familiar with or you don't have much information with, like especially these earphones that are currently trending, can be kind of confusing on making your decision. So today I want to give you a bit of a guidance on how they've been functioning, because I've been using them for 2 months and I hope that my review might be helpful to you. Okay, so these are the TWS imports, and let me just unwrap it and give you guys an insight. So this is the one that I've been having for about 2 months, and I'm currently wearing them, but let me put it here so you guys can see and a bit in clarity. So as you can tell, they are like normal earphones. The one in the box is for a client. Let me just open it up. Okay, so as you can see, these are light purple, and when you buy it, it comes with a charger, and it's an iPhone charger. So if you have an iPhone charger, this will work. Yeah, let me just focus there a little bit. So that will work if you have an iPhone charger. And these are the earphones. So what I have is actually and forgive me for handling them a bit rash, because I'm actually just one-handed. So I have different colors, but this is what you get. And I'm not sure what these do here on the side, but if I take one of them, okay, so if I take one of them, this is how they look. This is the appearance, the same as the one that I've owned for a couple of months. So I'm going to give this one to someone else. The biggest advantage that I've found with these earphones compared to other earphones are really the quality of sound that you get from them. So the quality of sound has been like really great. It focuses in detail on the sound that you're listening to, and to be honest, it's quite a bit cheap to acquire them. Also, another advantage that I've seen with them is that they are easy to, when you put them on your ears, they are quite easy to run around, and they don't fall with, and they charge really quickly. The pros, that would be the pros. So I know you love this content that we are making out here for you guys. I'll definitely advise you to give a like if you're finding value in the content that we are sharing, or if you like as well, give a subscribe button so we can make more content tailored to you. Remember, we are always listening and watching out in the comments. The cons of these earphones would be that the battery life, as compared to other pro earphones that I've now used, so I've upgraded to a different type of earphone, which is not this one anymore, but where do I have it? These earphones. So I have these earphones, which are the pro earphones, and you can see right out when I open them, it lights up. And I'll give a review about these earphones. It has noise cancelling. Focus a bit on there. So it has noise cancelling and other great features that I really love. So I'm gonna talk about these pro earphones in the video to come. So if you wanna watch and get an idea of what it's like to use this earphone, the pro earphone, make sure you subscribe. And if you wanna get more information or continue on watching this video, head over to my store channel, which I will continue the full review on these earphones.